Hi everyone, I'm so happy to be here today for this great 10 by 10 canvas. I'm going to be trying out a strainer. I've seen a lot of people use it, nice outcomes, all different types of outcomes. So here today I'm going to give it a go. I will be using my assorted rainbow colors, and I'm going to be putting some white in between, hopefully to keep it nice and bright. And that's about it. As usual, all of my colors, all of my paints have water, Floetrol, and I am working with all leftovers today, so I do believe everything also has silicone. So here we go. Wish me luck. So I found that painting with the strainer was really quite interesting. I really enjoyed the process. I hope you enjoyed watching. If you did, please click on the like button, subscribe to my channel, and I'll see you next time. Thanks for watching. Bye.